So today we're going to learn how to do a box and whisker plot. Box and whisker plots are all about the median. Okay, it's essentially just finding the middle number over and over and over again. So step number one is to put our numbers in order. So we're going to go ahead and do an example as we work through these steps. So for number one, when I put my numbers in order, okay, I have a -2. I have another -2. -1, 0, then I have a 3, I have 2 4s, 4, 4, and then I have a 5, a 5, a 5, then a 6, a 7, 2 8s, and a 10. Okay, I like to cross my numbers out and write my new numbers underneath because I feel like I make less mistakes if I know that all my numbers are accounted for. So I have all my numbers in order. So the step number 2, it says, is to find the median. Sorry, I'm looking for a pink pen in here. Okay, so I'm gonna find the median. So the way that I like to do this, okay, let's count our numbers first. So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's going to be an exact middle number. I'm going to have 7 on one side, 7 on the other, and then the 8th number is my middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is my median. The next step is to find what's called the lower quartile. That is the median of the lower half of the data. So I'm looking at this bottom half right here. Okay, just these numbers. I need to find the middle of those. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know this is going to be my middle, right? If there's 7 people standing in a row, is someone going to be in the middle? Yes, right, because there's an odd number. Then the upper quartile is finding the median of the upper half of the data. So I have these 7 numbers, and 1, 2, 3, 7 is going to be my middle. So I found the median of the lower half, I found the median of the upper half. And so now we're going to plot all of these on the number line. So my number line needs to go from -2 up to +10. So I'm going to go -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to take the numbers that I found and plot them on my number line. So my lower quartile was 0, my median was 5, my upper quartile was 7. So I boxed these in. Okay, and then step 5 is to plot your minimum. So my lowest number was -2, and I do that with a circle, and I connect it. And my highest number was 10, so I do a dot and connect that. And that's a box and whisker. So let's do example number 2 together. So I'm going to put my numbers in order. Okay, my smallest number is -16. Then I have -12. I have another -12. Then I go to positive, or 0 first. And then I have +3, 4, 7, 8. And then I have 10, 15, 21, 24, and 30. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 numbers. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this is going to be my middle. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's talk about finding my lower quartile. So now I only have 6 numbers, right? Down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So is there going to be an exact middle? Like, is one of these numbers going to be our middle guy if they're standing in a row? No. Our median of our lower half is going to come here, right? In between -12 and 0. So to find that, I'm going to add -12 plus 0 and then divide it by 2. -12 divided by 2 is -6. So that is my lower quartile. For my upper half of the data, okay, 1, 2, 3, it's going to come in between 15 and 21. So I'm going to add 15 and 21, which is 36, divided by 2, and I get 18. So that is my upper quartile. So on my number line, I have to go from -16 to +30. So I'm going to start down here at -16. I'm going to go -14, -12, -10, -2, -10, -8, -6, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay, so I have all the numbers covered. It's an evenly spaced number line, and now I can do my dots. So my lower quartile was -6. My median was +7. Oh, and I forgot, we're gonna label them because sometimes it can be hard for me to read it on your papers. So we're gonna put the number above it. And then our upper quartile was 18. So now I'm gonna box these in. And I'm gonna graph my whiskers, my minimum, and my maximum. And that's my box and my whiskers. Okay, and so just as a reminder, this would be the lower quartile, the median, the upper quartile.